Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is a city known for its picturesque canals, historic architecture, and vibrant culture. Explore Amsterdam's vibrant culture and history with Explore the World. Discover the iconic Anne Frank House and the Van Gogh Museum to delve into the lives of historical figures. Take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque Jordaan district and unwind in Vondel Park. Experience Amsterdam's famous red light district and the bustling Albert Kuip market. Don't miss the chance to cruise the picturesque canals and try local cuisine. Rent a bike year 10-year 15/day for an authentic Amsterdam experience. Watch this video till the end for more travel inspiration, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore the World for more exciting adventures. Here's a list of the top 30 places to visit and 10 things to do in Amsterdam. Places to visit. Anne Frank House. The Anne Frank House is a museum dedicated to the Jewish wartime diarist Anne Frank, who hid from Nazi persecution with her family. Visitors can explore the secret annex where the Frank family lived in hiding. Price: year 10-14 euros. Van Gogh Museum. The Van Gogh Museum houses the largest collection of artworks by Vincent van Gogh, including paintings, drawings, and letters. Visitors can admire famous works such as Sunflowers and The Bedroom. Price: 19 euros. Rijksmuseum. The Rijksmuseum is the national museum of the Netherlands, showcasing Dutch art and history. It features works by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and other Dutch masters. Price: 20 euros. Jordaan. Jordaan is a picturesque neighborhood known for its narrow streets, art galleries, and trendy boutiques. It's a great place to wander and soak up the local atmosphere. Free to explore. Vondel Park. Vondel Park is Amsterdam's most famous park, offering lush greenery, ponds, and walking paths. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Free to visit. Red Light District. Amsterdam's Red Light District is famous for its nightlife and adult entertainment. Visitors can explore the area and visit the Red Light Secrets Museum of Prostitution. Free to explore. Dam Square. Dam Square is the historic heart of Amsterdam, home to the Royal Palace and the National Monument. It's a bustling square with lots of shops, restaurants, and street performers. Free to visit. Canal Cruise. Amsterdam's canals are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and taking a canal cruise is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. Prices for cruises range from 15 euros to 25 euros. Begijnhof. Begijnhof is a hidden courtyard in the city center, known for its historic houses and tranquil atmosphere. It's a peaceful escape from the bustling city streets. Free to visit. Albert Kuip Market. Albert Kuip Market is Amsterdam's most famous street market, offering a wide range of goods, from fresh produce to clothing and souvenirs. It's a great place to experience the local culture. Free to visit. Heineken Experience. The Heineken Experience is a museum and brewery tour where visitors can learn about the history of Heineken beer and enjoy a tasting session. Price: 21 euros. Amsterdam Museum. The Amsterdam Museum explores the history and culture of the city through interactive exhibits and artifacts. It's a great place to learn about Amsterdam's rich heritage. Price: 15 euros. Oude Kerk. Oude Kerk is Amsterdam's oldest building, dating back to the 13th century. It's a beautiful example of medieval architecture and features stunning stained glass windows. Price: 12 euros and 50 cents. Nemo Science Museum. Nemo Science Museum is a hands-on science museum where visitors can explore interactive exhibits on science and technology. It's a fun and educational experience for all ages. Price: 17 euros and 50 cents. Rembrandt House Museum. The Rembrandt House Museum is the former home and studio of the famous Dutch artist Rembrandt. Visitors can see his etchings and paintings and learn about his life and work. Price: €14. Hortus Botanicus. Hortus Botanicus is Amsterdam's botanical garden, featuring a wide variety of plants from around the world. It's a peaceful oasis in the city center. Price: €9.75. Tropen Museum. The Tropen Museum explores the cultures of the world, with exhibits on art, music, and traditions from different regions. It's a fascinating look at global diversity. Price: €16. Hermitage Amsterdam. The Hermitage Amsterdam is a branch of the famous Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, Russia. It features exhibitions on Russian art and culture. Price: €25. Museum Headskip. Museum Headskip explores the Amsterdam School architecture movement, known for its expressive brick buildings. It's a unique look at Dutch architecture. Price: €10. De Peege. De Peege is a multicultural neighborhood known for its diverse food scene and bustling market. It's a great place to explore and try different cuisines. Free to explore. Rembrandtplein. Rembrandtplein is a lively square named after the famous painter Rembrandt. It's a popular spot for nightlife, with plenty of restaurants, bars, and clubs. Free to explore. Museumplein. Museumplein is a cultural hub in Amsterdam, home to several museums, including the Van Gogh Museum and the Rijksmuseum. It's also where you can find the iconic I Amsterdam sign. Free to visit. Westergasfabriek. Westergasfabriek is a cultural park located in a former gasworks complex. It's home to galleries, cafes, and events, making it a vibrant place to explore. Free to visit. Amsterdamse Bos. Amsterdamse Bos is a large park on the outskirts of the city, offering forests, meadows, and lakes for outdoor activities. It's a great place to escape the city and enjoy nature. Free to visit. Stedelijk Museum. The Stedelijk Museum is Amsterdam's museum of modern and contemporary art, featuring works by artists such as Mondrian, Warhol, and Kandinsky. Price: €18.50. Newmarkt. Newmarkt is a historic square in Amsterdam, home to the Waag, a former city gate that now houses a restaurant and museum. It's a great place to soak up the atmosphere of old Amsterdam. Free to visit. Hollandse Schouwburg. The Hollandse Schouwburg is a former theater that served as a deportation center for Jews during World War II. It now serves as a memorial and museum, honoring the victims of the Holocaust. Price: €15. Museum Van Loon. Museum Van Loon is a canal house museum that offers a glimpse into the life of a wealthy Amsterdam family. It's a beautifully preserved example of 17th century architecture. Price: €10. Amsterdam Tulip Museum. The Amsterdam Tulip Museum explores the history of tulips in the Netherlands, from their origins to their cultural significance. It's a small museum but offers interesting insights into this iconic flower. Price: €5. Westerkerk. Westerkerk is a Protestant church in Amsterdam known for its tall tower and beautiful interior. It's also the final resting place of Rembrandt. Price: €7.50. Things to do. Rent a bike. Renting a bike is a popular way to explore Amsterdam, as the city is very bike-friendly. Prices range from €10 to €15 per day. Visit a coffee shop. Amsterdam is known for its coffee shops, where you can legally purchase and consume cannabis. Prices vary. Try Dutch cuisine. Dutch cuisine features hearty dishes like stampot, mashed potatoes and vegetables, and etten soup, split pea soup. Prices vary. Take a canal cruise. Canal cruises are a popular way to see Amsterdam sights from the water. Prices range from €15 to €25. Visit a windmill. There are several windmills in and around Amsterdam that you can visit. Prices vary. Take a day trip. Take a day trip from Amsterdam to explore the Dutch countryside. Prices vary. Explore the Jordan. Wander through the Jordan neighborhood and explore its shops, galleries, and cafes. Free to explore. Visit a brewery. Amsterdam has several breweries where you can take a tour and sample local beers. Prices range from €10 to €20. Visit a cheese shop. Amsterdam is known for its cheese, and you can visit a cheese shop to sample and purchase local varieties. Prices vary. Attend a concert. Amsterdam has a vibrant music scene, and you can attend a concert at venues like the Concertgebouw or the Paradiso. Prices vary. These attractions and activities offer a glimpse into Amsterdam's rich culture and history, making it a fascinating destination to explore. Prices are approximate and may vary, so be sure to check the latest information before planning your visit. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more to bring exciting and adventure videos to explore the world.